Are you tired of the constant stress to keep your solar infrastructure running smoothly? Frustrated by lost time, unplanned maintenance, and costly outages? Meet SearchStax, the brand trusted by IT managers for flexible, reliable, and secure cloud-based solar service. With SearchStax Managed Search, transitioning your existing solar configurations and files is seamless, freeing your team to focus on what really matters: innovation and growth. Our advanced reporting tools and dashboards offer a comprehensive view of your solar infrastructure, ensuring peak performance without the hands-on hassle. And when traffic spikes, rest easy knowing SearchStax can automatically scale to meet demand. Say goodbye to the headaches of software and server setup, patching, and the nightmare of maintaining high availability. Our solar experts handle it all, so your IT team can launch new projects instead of being bogged down by maintenance. Elevate your search experience and leave solar infrastructure to us. Schedule a demo today and experience the freedom of SearchStax Managed Search.